Hey, out there in YouTube land, what do we have here today? I have what I would call a portable watch repair kit. So I'm JD, thanks for subscribing to my channel. And what am I wearing today? I'm wearing the Aviador watch here, which is an excellent chronograph, and I gave a review of that, so don't forget to remove before flight or you're going to damage the watch. And I'm also wearing an iWatch. I think they call these iWatches, maybe. Anyway, it's an Apple Watch, and it's the Apple Titanium, which is the very highest end of the watches. It's a nice brown leather strap on that, and I've got all kinds of modes for this. It doesn't have much power left, but I can swing through the modes here that I've got set for it. And I like my Folex. There's my Folex watch upside down. So there's the Apple Watch. I leave it like this. It'll power for like 4 days if I turn it on the theater mode. So there we go. That's the Apple Watch. So what do I have here? So for you watchmakers out there, I am at the cottage today. So I have got what you call a portable watch repair kit that I put together many years ago, as people were always saying, "Hey, JD, can you fix my watch?" And I'm like, I don't do this for a living, right? And they go, yeah, but if I went anywhere else, it would cost more. So I said, yeah, okay, I'll do it for you then. So what I have here, and this is in a very tough box here. And these are boxes you would use for transporting, scientific equipment and that kind of thing. So you open it up here, and I've got a few tools here right away. So in the back, I'm not sure if I have anything hidden back here. Yeah, I've got a cloth back here for wiping things down. That's just a cloth for wiping off the lens. Here I've got a microphone. So this microphone I use with my iPhone, and it plugs in, and I use an app on my iPhone to measure or to time the watch or regulate the watch. Use the right terms, buddy. So that's why the microphone's in here. I've got GS Hypo Cement. That's used for putting on a crystal if I need to do something like that. And then if I go down here, I've got a pair of pliers, very small, but you do need pliers if you're going to do watch repair, as you know. I got to put all this stuff back exactly where I got it. This is a really cool antique hand remover. So it's not for removing your hand. Little joke, pause. It's for using the hands of the watch, removing the hands of the watch. So you put this over the top, and all you do is push down, and it pulls up on the hands and removes the hands. It's very nice. It's old. It's old, Jerry. It's old, just like me. So that's the hand remover. I'll put that back here. And then I got a couple of lenses. This one's just a clip-on lens you can clip onto your glasses to give you a times 3, I believe. And this is a flip over for a times 5 if you want to get close up and dirty. This here is if you're working on a quartz watch, always bring yourself a paper clip, okay? Bring a paper clip with you, because sometimes you have to short out the circuit of the quartz watch to get the heart going again. So, and all watches are different. All quartz watches are designed and made differently. So it just really depends on that brand of quartz. I had to jump start at the OS 21 watch the other day, and I needed this. So this here tucked in here is for removing pins. So it's removing the pins on your strap, punching them out, that sort of thing. So it's just a little punch that I have. And I put this in here. I got hiding places for everything, right? So over here, this is a watch case opener. So it's actually a Bergeron 4932 Swiss-made watch case opener. So only the best for my clients, right? Here we've got the watch. This will open a non-screw down snap-on case or a pocket watch case. This one here is used just for opening the case back of your normal watch, where you've got the round case back with a 6 or 8 indents, and you put that in there and you turn it and you basically open the case. I also carry a toothpick with me. I use this for watch regulation. So if you're going to touch the movement at all to regulate the watch where the hairspring is and move the regulator pins, you don't want to do it with your hands. Toothpick is good to do that with. And I also have a piece of pith wood, and this pith wood is pissing me off, I'm telling you. Pause, laugh, and then continue. So that's used for cleaning off the end of your oilers. So I have 2 oilers here with me. So, and this is not the hockey team. not the hockey team. So these are Oilers, but not the ones that score goals. So that's that. Now, if I lift this up, I'm going to try to lift this out of the way without throwing everything off and see what's under here. I can't remember what I put under here. Oh, I got all kinds of goodies under here. So what do we have here? Stuff. Nose pads for eyewear. Yeah, of course I don't need that. I've got in a bag some Rodico. You can't do watch repair without Rodico. I don't care who you are. Don't care who you are. There's some nose pads for my sunglasses. So these are nose pads I would use for these very nice Oakleys. Nose pads for Oakley sunglasses. You're not going to look like FBI unless you have a set of Oakleys. Just saying, okay? And these are the nose pads that fit on those Oakleys. I've only had to replace them once, but you buy 1,000 of them and you can nose pads for life. Here I've got another eyepiece. This is one you jam into your eye, so it's a ×5, I think. Eyepiece, no, ×7. Oh, ×4, times whatever. ×4. Yeah, I think this is a ×4 eyepiece. ×4, where's that camera? Where's the camera? It's a ×4 eyepiece. They're usually scraped on the side of them. So I cut out an area for that. Then I have here screwdrivers. So this is a very small set of screwdrivers, but they're all there. There they are there. And I've got the full set of screwdrivers in this bag, right? So all the screwdrivers are here, everything I'd need to take a watch apart and put it back together again. This is a bonus bag. I'm not sure what was in here. Screw-in nose pads. That's where the nose pads came from. So that's that. Then I have oil under here. So I've got just generic oil. I could use this generic oil. It's like 90-10, except a little bit thicker. And I can use this for watch repair if I need to. So that's a little bit of oil. Put that down. And I made sure that I brought a metal block with me. So if I have to do any work at all on this watch, I won't be able to do staking set kind of work on a watch remotely, but I might need this block for something, right? For punching something or whatever. Removing, I wouldn't actually remove a roller table on this unless I had my full tool set, but I brought a block as well, and it can come in handy. Then I have a couple of movement holders, as you can see. There's one there. And these are just generic, and I've got another one right here, as you can see it already. Generic movement holders, and no watchmaker is worth this weight in oil and gold unless they got a file. So there's a file, and I would use this for various things on a watch. I could use it to actually help a gear or something. If I saw an inconsistency in one of the gears, I could file that gear down with that file. Again, I am a guitar player, so I apologize for long fingernails, but I need them to pluck, okay? And pluck rhymes with truck. You gotta pause for those jokes. And I've got another oiler jammed in here if I need to use that. That's another oiler. You can never have too many oilers. So that, I believe, is my remote watch repair kit, and including nose pads for sunglasses. Remote watch repair kit with nose pads. So, and then this fits right on top like this, like that. And I put my GS Hypo cement, and that's American made actually. That's made in, where is that made? It's made from the GS company, G-S Supplies. Go Google this and have a look at them. And they make crystals. They've been around for almost 100 years. So GS Supplies, GS Cement. I love this stuff. This stuff is excellent. Don't sniff it. It says clear, it will not bond to your finger, which is excellent. But it's great for crystals. It also glues other things too. My wife's neti pot was used for gluing her neti pot so she could do neti potting, whatever that is. Those are things that my wife does, neti potting. So that's my kit right there. Try to get this thing back together without destroying anything. Tuck that in, put this here. And of course, it's in this very well protected case. There you go. That's a quick video, so you should probably, oh, I forgot something. The microphone. Can't forget the microphone. You want to regulate a watch after you're doing something. You'll impress people if you have your own microphone. So that's it, and I'll put this video up right now. Thanks for watching my channel. If you got any questions about this nice little kit, I think it's a great idea. You should have one with you when you travel. You tell people I'm a watchmaker. The first thing they do is come over with a watch. They go, yeah, can you get my watch running? There's something wrong with it. And oh, on the bottom of this, there is also a pair of tweezers. I forgot. I remember seeing them and I didn't lift this up. So do I do this? If I do a complete job, I have to show you the tweezers, right? They're right down here somewhere. There they are. There they are. You see that? They're embedded in there. So that's a pair of tweezers jammed in there. I almost forgot the tweezers. You guys will all unsubscribe to my channel if I didn't show you the tweezers. So if you're a watchmaker, you will get annoyed to fix a watch. And the best joke I've heard so far to date, I've said it a few times, is how do you become a millionaire fixing watches? You start as a billionaire.